memories when they're first learning how to nurse, and then just a few days after birth, that hair simply falls right out. Our next characteristic is another that we share, but the dolphins do it a little bit differently than us, and it's that we all breathe air. But the dolphins do it by using that blowhole located right on the top of their head. They are able to grab a quick exchange of air, and they can then hold that breath for up to 7.5 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to our stars so that you all can get the chance to hear just how quick that breath is. Now, a common misconception about dolphins is that all of the clicks, whistles, and squeals you hear them making are coming from their mouths. However, that is not true. Dolphins don't have any vocal cords. So instead, all of those sounds you hear them making are coming from that same blowhole that they breathe their air from. Now, to show this off, our boys have put together a very special song for you all today. So let's go ahead and listen in. Excellent harmony from all four. A great dolphin style wave below. You'll notice that just like their their dorsal fin, each set of tail flukes is completely unique. Located directly above the flukes is the powerhouse of the dolphins, or what we call the peduncle. That is a very powerful region of muscles that they'll use in a common hunting technique known as tail lobbing, in which they slap the surface of the water so hard with their tails that it stunts surrounding fish, making them much easier to catch. But in addition, they will also use those powerful muscles to get through the water at burst speeds of about 20 miles an hour. They can even get their entire bodies up and out of the water to get a better look at all of their surroundings.